everyone. Thanks for joining me today on my walk for my first video. Um, my name is Danielle. My dog's name is Mitzi, and we live in Russia, not too far from the city of St. Petersburg, with my family, my husband, and my 4 kids. And we lived in the city for about 12 years. And then just a little over a year ago, we moved into a house in a small village outside the city. And since then, and also especially since we got a dog who has lots of energy, I've been taking a lot of walks around the surrounding area around our village and just thinking how blessed I am to have this beautiful place to walk in, and kind of wishing I could share it with people, friends and family who maybe are in the US and will maybe never come to Russia to experience it. And then I got especially inspired after watching some of Craig Adams's hiking videos. And if you've never seen those, you should check it out. He makes really amazing and beautiful videos of him hiking in all kinds of different places, and they're very relaxing and peaceful to watch, and you can kind of live vicariously through him, feeling like you're hiking along with him in these amazing places. And I thought maybe I could do something kind of like that with my walks and make some videos for people to enjoy. So he was my inspiration, and I kind of stole his whole style of videoing his walks. So thank you, Craig, if you ever see this video, which you probably won't. But anyway, so I decided to try videoing my walk today, and we'll see how it goes, how the video turns out. And I hope that you enjoyed it, and maybe there will be more videos like this to come. Maybe taking the same walk through different seasons or different walks that I do, so that you can also enjoy the beautiful area that I live in. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.